Hey, it's Ash here from UNSW AV, here to demonstrate how to connect to our UNSW hybrid teaching spaces. Select internal computer and display on projector or projectors depending on which room you are teaching. All hybrid rooms are supplied with wireless microphones. Ensure you wear the lapel microphone and position the lapel at your chest to ensure optimal audio quality. In all hybrid teaching spaces, there's also a roving microphone for in-person student discussions and Q&A activities. Via the volume control options on the AMX touch panel, you can mute the microphones for in-room and online participants. Once you finish your class, ensure to put the lapel microphone and roving microphone back in the cradle provided. This will charge the microphone for the next teacher. If you find that the microphone is not charged, please contact 54888 where a fresh battery will be provided. Sign into the internal computer using your ZID and password. Sign into Zoom via the icon provided on the desktop. Sign in via SSO. This should sign you in automatically. Once signed in, you may join your meeting how you would normally. Here you'll be prompted to join with computer audio. Select computer audio. You are now in your class. Share screen how you normally would. Click the arrow down below. Here select screen and share. Once you see the green arrow around, you may connect to OneDrive, which is also provided on the desktop. Open up the PowerPoint presentation and go full screen. Your online student participants will now be able to see your presentation. You can also connect to your class using your BYOD device with the USB-C cable provided. This will connect to the microphones in the room and also the camera, similar to the internal computer. By using your BYOD device, you can monitor and moderate the class by not disrupting the in-room presentation. Camera control is found in room control. By selecting camera control, you have two options, tracking on or tracking off. Once tracking is turned on, you have no control of the camera. However, the camera will follow your movements in the room. If you find that the camera is not on you, you may reset the position of the camera by pressing this button here. If you would like to use preset camera, select tracking off. Here you have three presets. Presenter, which is a close-up at the lectern. Board focuses on a wider shot, including the blackboard or whiteboard. And class takes a wide shot of the class provided. If you'd like to take control, you can also use the pan left, right, or tilt up and down, or zoom in and out here. If the hybrid teaching space is also equipped with two projectors and screen, you can use your BYOD device to split screens. You can have the presentation on one screen and the gallery view on the other. To display document camera in Zoom, click on the arrow next to the video icon at the bottom left corner. There, you'll be able to select document camera. The in-room students and online students will now be able to view the document camera. Thanks for watching, and for any technical assistance, please contact 54888 on the phone provided on the lectern or contact IT services on the link below.